Great opportunity to own your own home. This lovely open concept 3/2/2 residence located in Inverness Highlands South combines character and functionality. As you enter, the cathedral ceilings create an airy and spacious feel, allowing lots of natural light into the great room. The split floor plan ensures privacy with the primary bedroom and ensuite, complete with dual sinks and walk-in shower on one side, and the 2 additional bedrooms and main bath on the adjacent side. The kitchen boasts ample storage and a breakfast bar with French doors leading out to your screened porch. Step outside to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day, surrounded by lush greenery. The fenced backyard provides a safe haven for pets and a private retreat for relaxation. Whether you're gardening, hosting a barbecue, or simply basking in the Florida sunshine, this outdoor area has lots of potential. Inside laundry room for your convenience. Roof 2023 and air conditioner 2019. Septic/well. No HOA or deed restrictions. This home retains the value of peaceful living while being conveniently located to shops, medical centers, restaurants, and schools. Plenty of things to do nearby. The Hernando chain of lakes features some of the best fishing in Florida, and nearby you will find plenty of outdoor activities from hiking and biking trails to great kayaking areas. The city of Inverness will put you a short distance from it all, Whispering Pines Park, downtown and Liberty Park, plus so much more. Ocala 34 miles, Crystal River is 20 miles, Tampa/Orlando can be reached in just over an hour. Don't miss out, you need to see this one for yourself. Call us today.